War day number 973. 973 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome back. Welcome back with the Sudokus. The Sudokus in today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 25th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left. The binary. And this one, the 4-star Sudoku, yes. I've not so good news for today because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. Maybe tomorrow we will see. Alright, let me continue. This one will be number 9475. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Yes, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 2 2s. We have 3 2s. Correction. We have 1 3. 4 4s. Well. 2 5s. 2 6s. 1 7. 2 8s and 4 9s. So the 4s and the 9s are a majority. Can I start with the 9? Yeah, 9 in this column, last column. 9 in that column, so the column 3. No need to place left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between. The only place left on 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left on 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9. 9 in the middle row, 9 in that row. Sorry, again, 9 in that row, 9 in this row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left on 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left on 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright. How about the 4s then? 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers are 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column 3 in the only place left for the 4. It should be there. 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about? Need a 1 here. Need a 7 here. 6 in this. Need a 6 here or there. Well, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 1. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this column should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1. The 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6. Well. 6. 6. I need to think. 6. How about need an 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in the second column. No 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Shoot it in. 2, 2. Okay. Well, in this column, the first column, we need an 8. These 2 boxes can mean 8 because we have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here can mean 8, we have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left with 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2. 2 here. Let me think. 1, 3, 7. Well, 3, 7, and a 5. 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing number in the third row is the number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here or there in the third row. Here or there, we see another 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 5 should be there. 5, 5. Need 5 here. Well, 3 and 7. Need to think. 6, 7, and a 5. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking. 6, 6. Come on. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the third row. 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 3. Should be there. Then, let me see. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 here. Yeah. 1, 4, and the 7. The 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 7 goes there. 7. Need a 5 here. Need a 3. No. Need a 6 here. Well. Need an 8 here. 8. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 8. Over there. 2. Need a 5. Need a 7. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 in that column, no 8 there. The only place level 8 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Then 2, 6, and a 5. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this row. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this column for number 6 then. Yeah, I need a 6 there. Okay. Think. 2, 5, we need a 7 here. 2, 5, need a 7 and a 3. In this big square, we need a 3. We have a 3 in the middle row. No 3 in these 2 boxes. So 3 could be here, could be there. We see another 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next. On that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left on the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And we have a pair in this big square. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in this row, so no 1 and 3 in this box. We have a 1 and a 3 in the last row, so no 1 and 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. Yeah, also 2 numbers left in this big square. Almost 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 5 and the 7. How about here? 6 and the 7. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes in there. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square. From 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square. For number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Then 2, wait, 5, 2, and the 7. Need a 7 here. Yeah, 2 numbers. Oh, wait. This is a 5. Okay. We have a 5 and a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 5. So this box will be a 2 then. 1 box left in this column for number 5 then. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this row. I believe the 7. Yeah, 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 7 should be there. 1 box left now in the middle row. For number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and 3, we have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3 and a 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square are numbers the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, we solve it again faster than 15 minutes. So it's not a 4, not a 3, not a 2. Let me give this a 1 star. If I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes, then it will be a 0 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.